Yeah, show 'em your mom made a pro. Big booty bitch, hey, little booty bitch is a hot girl. Summer now, pop y'all shit. Hey, work out, ho. Yeah, show 'em your mom made a pro like that.
Little booty bitch, hey, big booty bitch is a hot girl. Summer now, pop y'all shit. Hey, look it up, ho. Show 'em your mom made a pro.
Previously, you are able to tune in into me plucking and bleaching the knots of the 6-inch 180% density pixie cut. I did also bleach the hair itself. However, this video will be more me installing. I hope you guys enjoy.
What's good, y'all? Today we're gonna do a little install. Oh, well, my name is Destiny. Anyhow, we're gonna do a little install from a previous video. I should have already posted already. I done bleached the hair and it's already plucked. It's just more of installing it now. I do have a wig cap on. I did not glue it down because I'm just so busy. But we're just gonna get right into it. The first thing I'm gonna do is fit it around my head and put this hair out of my face.
I met this little girl, her name is Maxie. Her beauty's like a bunch of roses. But if I ever tell you about Maxie, you're gonna say I don't know what I know. But murder she wrote, murder she wrote, murder she wrote. No. When I saw you, I remember the feeling of December. My fire was for the like timber. Tiptoeing and caution like a ninja. Ease back and give me some time to process. I need a little more time with you as an option. Give me some time to process. I need a little more time to physically like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Dispatch. Hello. We're gonna need to call him when I get that. Slim with them thighs that mismatch. Sweet in your spice, your tic tac. Dispatch. Hello. Man, every time you call, I never miss that. You are the one, I guess that I could be wrong.
Because every time I hear your body calling for me, I go outside in a hurry. I know waiting you they do me. If I do you wrong, I'm sorry. And nobody do you like I do. You never say nobody move like I move. You do not say I do me and do you too.
When I saw you, I remember the feeling of December. My fire was for the like timber. Tiptoeing and caution like a ninja. Ease back and give me some time to process. I need a little more time with you as an option. Give me some time to process. I need a little more time to physically like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it.
Tell me how, tell me where, tell me when. You know me, I go pull up and I be my proper Benz. Long as you know they give me no problem. You don't even have to be my girlfriend. Hey, every twist and every turn and every bend. They making of my life, you know me ready for defend. Make you know they demo, make you know they pretend. You know say now only me they keep you healing. Hey, because every time I hear your body calling for me, I go outside in a hurry. I know waiting you they do me. If I do you wrong, I'm sorry. And nobody do you like I do.
So what you're going to see here is me placing the lace over and blow drying. It's very important that you press the lace in to the glue. I'm using my fingers, but it would have been better to have used a comb of the sorts and pressing it in, so when you're blow drying it really sticks and melts into the skin.
Process, I need a little more time with you as an option. Give me some time to process. I need a little more time to physically like it.
So what you're gonna see me do here is use the Got To Be Glue free spray, and I spray that over the Ghost Bond glue just to provide an extra strength sealant in melting the lace to my skin. I just think that when you put the Got To Be glue on top of that, it just melts even more flawlessly. But that's all up to you. You don't have to if you feel like the glue itself is good. And especially when I'm cutting and pulling up lace that hasn't technically really solidified on my skin, the Got To Be Glue free spray like just puts it back in place.
Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. 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 Dispatch. Hello? We're gonna need to call him when I get that. Slim with them thighs that mismatch. Sweet in your spice, your Tic Tac. Dispatch. Hello? Man, every time you call, I never miss that. You are the one.
I like to do is bring my baby hairs down over the lace before I even clean off the edge of my forehead, just to like make it look more realistic. Use some of that excess glue to pick up some of that baby hair and make it look like it's coming out of my scalp. You'll see that I'll part it and press the comb in just to push the hair in even more. And when I pull it back, it'll look like it's growing from my scalp itself.
Alright guys, so after you're done applying it, just gonna use a rag and wipe all the excess alcohol off. And then I use this elastic headband and I'll put that around my forehead to seal it.
Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it.
Tell me how, tell me where, tell me when. You know me, I go pull up and I be my proper pens. Long as you know they give me no problem. You don't even have to be my girlfriend. Hey, every twist and every turn and every bend. You making on me life, you know me ready for defend. Make you know they demo, make you know they pretend. You know say now only me they keep you healing. Hey, because every time I hear your body calling for me, I go outside in a hurry. I don't know waiting you they do me. If I do you wrong, I'm sorry. And nobody do you like I do. You never say nobody move like I move. You do not say I do me and do you too.
When I saw you, I remember the feeling of the summer. My fire was for the light timber. Tiptoeing across you like a ninja. Ease back and give me some time to process. I need a little more time with you as an option. Give me some time to process. I need a little more time to physically like it. I met this little girl, her name is Maxie. Her beauty's like a bunch of roses. But if I ever tell you about Maxie, you're gonna say I don't know what I know. But murder she wrote, murder she wrote, murder she wrote. No. When I saw you, I remember the feeling of the summer. My fire was for the light timber. Tiptoeing across you like a ninja. Ease back and give me some time to process. I need a little more time with you as an option. Give me some time to process. I need a little more time to physically like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Oh.
So this is the hair after I installed it. And I just picking it out. In terms of the bleaching and stuff, it took it really well. Especially after I had didn't use like the strongest. But the color complements my skin, and even after I bleached it, the curl pattern stayed tight. So this is really fair. If you guys enjoyed this video,
Nobody do you like I do. You never say nobody move like I do. Girl, you know say I do